GIZ's work in the area of industrial parks and special economic zones. So I'll dive right in and talk a little bit about the macro environment. And that's important for special economic zones and industrial parks, because obviously that sets the overall environment, and special economic zones being one of the instruments that governments have at their disposal to promote investments.
If we look at the share of investment and exports created by free zones as a share of national investment and exports, we see that often the performance of African free zones is similar to other world regions. So when African free zones entered the picture, competition has already been fiercer and more established, which is a factor that contributed to the mixed performance in the past. The area where there's a lot of scope for knowledge sharing and international cooperation, and I think this is also where the Africa Free Zones Organization can be of help for you. This graph simply wants to exemplify some of the problems that I was just talking about. To conclude, I would like to present some success and risk factors for SECs that have been established as lessons learned from various free zones programs around the world in the literature. SEC programs should be ideally integrated into the national development strategy. Ideally, SEC programs should be sufficiently flexible and open to various sectors. The developer and the operator of a zone are clearly separated from each other to avoid conflicts of interest. When we come to risk factors, I think the first point is very clear. So barriers to investment and uncompetitive incentive structure are of course a risk factor for successful SECs. High costs and financial risks for public finances, inadequate structures and insufficient administrative capacities in the developing and implementation bodies are as well a risk factor for SECs.